All right, Kobe. Last time we were in class, after a little assessment that we performed, I noticed that we potentially had some problems identifying common math operations or words used for those math operations within word problems. Okay, and our objective for the day, I kind of wanted to do this just to kind of cover our bases again and make sure there weren't any questions about what words we use for what operations. Okay, so our objective for the day would be to identify common words that are associated with addition, subtraction, multiplication, division within word problems. Okay, so we're going to talk about some words that we commonly see for the addition. Okay, anytime you see the word like sum or more than or the total of or added to, all those mean addition. Okay, so anytime you see those, you'll take and find the information that you need within that word problem, and you will add those numbers together. Okay, so like if you saw what is the sum, okay, of 6 plus, or 6 and 3. Okay, so if you saw that, what is the sum of 6 and 3? What would be your answer to that?
9.
Okay, very good. All right. Okay, for another example would be if you had, or if Johnny had 9 apples, okay, and he added to 10 apples, what would be your answer?
19 apples.
Very good. Okay. More than. So if you had a word problem that said Johnny has 9 more candies than Paul, which has 4. Okay. How many do they have together?
13.
Okay, very good. All right. Now as far as subtraction, okay, common words we see in subtraction. Okay. You ever see the word minus or less than or a difference or fewer than? Okay, all those should be indicators that you are going to subtract. Okay, whatever information that you find within that. Okay, so if you see you see 9 minus 10, or 9 apples minus 10, what would that answer be?
1.
Very good. Okay, or the difference. Okay, what is the difference of 13 minus 2? Or the difference of 13 from 2, right? Yeah.
11.
Okay, very good. Another common phrase you'll hear, fewer than. Say Paul had 9 fewer apples than Johnny's 15 apples. Okay, what is your answer to that? 9 fewer than 15.
6.
Very good. Okay. Alright, now as far as multiplication, okay, you've got words that, if you ever see times, or the product, or a product of, okay, that's always gonna be an indicator that we're going to multiply. Okay. Or what is the product of? Two and three.
6.
All it is just 2 times 3, or 3 times 2. Either way would be fine. Now as far as division, if you say per, or out of, or a quotient, that's going to be an indicator of that we're going to divide. Okay, in math operations. Do you have any questions so far?
No, sir.
Okay. I think you got it pretty well.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I got a little worksheet I want you to do for me real quick. Okay. Just go ahead and write on that. Yeah, please.
Got it. Yes, sir.
All right, let's work them out together real quick. What's the first one say?
Evan is putting books in his bookcase. He has already put 74 books in the bookcase, but he has 225 books. How many more books does he have to put in the bookcase?
Okay, so how many more than, or how books does he have to put in the different? So what are we looking for? So we gotta find out how many more books he's got left to put in the bookcase, right? So he's already put 74 up, right?
Yes, sir.
And he had how many altogether?
225.
So 225?
Fine.
Okay, so you subtract 225 from 74, and what did you come up with?
51.
Very good. 51 should be your answer. Is that what you got?
Yes, sir.
Good job. All right, what's your next one say?
Amber has 36 Smarties to share among herself and 3 friends. How many Smarties will each of them receive?
Okay, so what are we gonna do?
Right?
So there's 36 to divide between her and 3 other friends. So how many friends do you have? Altogether.
3.
No, how many people are, how many people altogether do we have that are sharing? It's her and 3 friends.
4.
4, okay. So divide 36 divided by 4. Okay, what'd you come up with?
Come on, with 12, but
36 and 4, or 36 divided by 4? Should be 9, correct? 9 times 4 is what?
36.
36. It should be, the answer should be 9, okay?